Testing out the Cricut brand Smart Iron-On. We got a roll of the black vinyl iron-on and we just cut it to size, so we're now placing it onto the Cricut mat. The shiny side goes directly onto the mat. If you make a mistake or need to adjust the placement, you can always remove it from the mat and adjust the placement. My niece has already completed her design in the Cricut Design Space app, so we're going to go ahead and start the cutting process on our Explorer 3 machine. And just to mention, when we were first sizing and cutting out the piece of vinyl iron-on, we immediately noticed the quality and thickness of the iron-on. This is compared to other brands we have used, so it will be interesting to see how well it irons onto our cotton sweatshirt that this design will go on. Now we're going to go ahead and select one of the weeding tips using the tool that came with our Cricut machine. Once again, we noticed the thickness of the vinyl iron-on, yet it was very easy to pull the vinyl iron-on off the mat without any tears. In fact, it was pretty quick and easy to weed the entire design, even with some intricacies in our sweatshirt design. The vinyl has a little bit of stretch to it, and pulling it off the mat, you can see that the rest of the design stays intact. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the design from the mat and place it onto our cotton sweatshirt, which we have already preheated by running our regular iron over it a few times. Next, we'll iron the design on with our iron both from the front and then on the back. This is as per the standard instructions. After waiting about a minute or so for the sweatshirt to cool down, we're now carefully removing the transfer sheet. And it looks like the vinyl iron-on is adhering to the sweatshirt extremely well. In fact, there are no corners or sides lifting, unlike some of the other brands. The black color is bold and vibrant, and the edges are completely smooth.